Hi everybody, my name is Lee. This is my homework number 6. E. Read. E. Sit. O. Book. O. To. Ear. Hear. A. Day. A. Man. America. O. Word. Sort. Or tour. I. Buy. O. Go. A. Cat. But. But. Not. Your. Where. I. My. How. How. Pig. Bed. Time. Do. Church. Kilo. Go. 5. Vary. That. Think. That. 6. Short. Casual. Milk. No. Sing. Hello. Live. Red. Window. Yes. Vocabulary. Cap. Cup. Hat. Hot. Cat. Cut. Pan. Pan. Back. Park. Cup. Hat. Hot. Cut. Bun. Ban. Come. Calm. Thanks for listening.